Good afternoon.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please switch on your videos, all of you.
Sir, today what we are doing?
Sir, today we will do written work.
Yes, we will do exercise 3.2. Have we started doing exercise 3.2 yet or not? You started?
Yes, sir. We have started yesterday.
Have you done the first question? Question A we have done.
Yes, sir. We have done.
We have done question B also. Have we done question B? Just in your copy. Have we done question B?
Yes, sir. We have done. We have to start C now.
Sir, I am coming in 1 minute. Can I close my camera?
Okay, okay. We are starting with question C. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Sir, in question number C, what we have to do?
Yes, question C, first part. We have to check the divisibility of A, B, C. You can see three numbers written in A, B, C. We have to check the divisibility of these numbers by 4. ठीक है, A, B, C 4 के आगे आप देखो A, B, C तीन numbers आपको दिख रहे हैं. So number A is 1424. 1424. We have to check the divisibility of this number by 4. Let's check that. So what is the method to check the divisibility of a number by 4? You can see the last two digits of the number 24. Last two digits क्या हैं? 24. Okay. So 24 is a multiple of 4 or not? 24 4 के table में आता है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That means the answer is yes. Therefore, the number 1424 is divisible by 4. Answer क्या हो जाएगा? Yes. Similarly, the B part of the question, 8,800. 8,800 is the number. Whenever the last two digits of a number are zeros, दोनों digits अगर आपकी zero है, last के दो digits, then also your answer will be yes. The number is divisible by 4. Number 4 से divide हो जाएगा, because last के जो दो digits हैं वो क्या है? Zero है. Okay. Now the C part of the question, this is 3,000.
Sir, we have to do it in the notebook.
You have to do it in the notebook. Yes. Do it in your copy. Okay. So 3,156 is the number. Again, you see the last two digits of the number. Last two digits 56. 56 4 से divide होता है क्या? 4 से divide होगा 56. You check it by dividing. 56 को 4 से divide करके देखिए. So the remainder is coming 0. 56 is divisible by 4. 56 4 से divide हो रहा है because the remainder is 0. So can we say that the number 3,156 is divisible by 4? The answer is yes. Have you understood? Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, everyone, please switch on your videos. Videos अपने on रखिए. It's very nice to see most of you have your videos on today. You are. जो बच्चों के नहीं है वो भी ऑन कर लीजिए. Do this in your copies, everyone.
Sir, we have to do this in a notebook.
Yes.
Or sir, you are asking the divisibility.
You have to do this in your copy. Yes. Now, have you all done this in your copies?
No.
No. Done.
Sir, please wait.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, done.
Okay. Let's start with the second part of the question. Second is you have to check the divisibility of the following numbers by 6. By 6. So A part, the number given is 771. Number 771. This is divisible by 6 or not? 6 की divisibility I have already explained you many times. कि कैसे check करते हैं?
No, sir.
Yes. How do
No,
we
sir.
check the divisibility of 6? You see whether the number is divisible by 2 and 3. 2 से और 3 से अगर divide हो सकता है number, that means the number is divisible by 6 also. So we will check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. This is an odd number. Odd number है. Therefore, this means that this number is not divisible by 2 and also not divisible by 6. So answer क्या हो जाएगा? No. Answer is no. This is an odd number, so answer is no. Odd numbers are never divided by even numbers. Even numbers से कभी divide नहीं होता. So B part 8196. 8196. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 6
Not
or not. So first of all, you check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. 2 से divide हो रहा है. 8196.
Yes,
This is
टू
an
से भी
even
हो रहा
number.
है और
Yes, sir.
भी हो रहा है.
2 से divide हो रहा है because it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. And 3 से होगा या नहीं होगा? Let's check. You add the
Ma'am,
digits.
because
8
some
plus 1 plus 9 plus 6. What is the sum of the digits? The sum of the digits is 24. 24 3 के टेबल में आता है. 24 3 के टेबल में आता है. Yes. So therefore
Yes,
this
sir.
number is divisible by 6. आंसर हो गया yes. 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है. That means 6 से भी डिवाइड होगा. So आंसर क्या हो गया? Yes. C part of the question. 1000. So this number is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 3 से divide होगा या नहीं होगा? No, it is not divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits will be 1. Digits का sum यहाँ पर क्या है? 1 है. So this number is not divisible by 3. 2 से तो हो रहा है but 3 से नहीं होगा. So therefore the answer will be no, it is not divisible by 6. Note down in your copies.
Can we see?
Yes, very good, Avika. Very good, beta. Tanmay has also done very good.
Yes, no. No, yes, no. No, yes, no. No, yes, no. Oh, yes. No, yes, no. Yes. Where are you?
Keep your mics off. Keep your mics off. Okay, let's start with the next part of the question. I hope everyone has done this. Third part of the question. In the third part of the question, we have to check the divisibility of the numbers by 8. किससे check करना है? 8 से. So A part of this, 9000 is the number. 9000. Now there is a trick. Whenever the last three digits of a number are zero, last की तीनों digits अगर zero हैं, then the number is definitely divisible by 8. Yes कर दीजिए without any second thought. Answer क्या हो जाएगा? Yes. So whenever you see the last three digits of a number as zero, you can say that the number is divisible by 8. B part of this. 4,197. 4,197. Yes or no? Now this is an odd number. 4,197. 8 से divide कर सकते हैं हम इसको. Can we divide this number by 8? Yes or no?
No.
Amy?
No, sir.
Absolutely correct. The answer is no. Because
Sir, no.
odd numbers are never divided by 8. So therefore the answer is no. Understood? C part of the question. 2,920. 2,920. Yes
Sir,
or no?
it is divisible.
So you will see the last three digits of the number. Last three digits 920. आप 920 को 8 से divide करके देख लीजिए. 920 को 8 से divide करके देख लीजिए. 8 ones are 8. Minus का remainder 1. 2 copy हो गया. Again 1. 8 ones are 8. Remainder 4. 0 copy हो जाएगा. So 40. 8 fives are 40. Minus करके remainder is 0. So final remainder is 0. That means the number is divisible by 8. You can say yes. Yes, the number is divisible by 8. Note down in your book.
Sir, most of children video are off.
Please better switch on your videos, all of you. Video on करिए सारे बच्चे.
Sir, I have done this exercise.
Okay, very good. Okay, now question C, fourth part. We have to check the divisibility of the numbers by 7. 7 से check करेंगे divisibility. Okay. So A part of this. First number is 2,772. 2,772. I have already explained in detail कि कैसे check करते हैं, 7 से कैसे check करते हैं. The method is very simple. You write the first three digits of the number 277. 2 हटा दिया मैंने, last digit को हटा दिया. Now you multiply the last digit of the number. Last digit क्या है? 2. Multiply the last digit by 2. Multiply the last digit of the number by 2.
Sir, that is divisible.
So you get 277 minus 4. 277 minus 4, you get 273. 273 आया minus से. So now what you have to do? You have to divide 273 by 7. 7 से divide करके देखेंगे 273 को. 273 को 200 sorry 273 को 7 से divide करके देखेंगे. You will go 3 times 21 minus करके यहाँ पर 6 आ जाएगा. And then you copy 3. 7 9s are 63. Remainder 0.
So divisible.
We are getting remainder 0. That means the number is divisible. Yes, answer. Yes is the answer. Okay, similarly, we will try the second part also. Okay, can you all try the second part on your own? B part of this. B wala try kariye. The number in the B part is 8,183. Try it on your own, all of you. यहाँ try करो एक बार.
Sir, that is not divisible.
So I am telling you whether it is divisible or not. 8,183 is the number. Write the first 3 digits. 3 digits लिखो, last वाली को छोड़ दो अभी. And then you multiply the last digit by 2. 3 into 2 और इस पर इसको minus करिए. So 818 minus 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 818 minus 6 is equal to 812. So you get 812. Now you divide 812 by 7. 7 से divide करके देखो 812 को. 7 ones are 7. 1 copy हो गया. Again you will go 1 time. 7 remainder 4. 2 copy कर लिया. Then you will go 6 times. 7 into 6 is 42. Remainder 0. The remainder is coming 0. That means the number is divisible by 7. Answer is yes. Try the C one. C is 4,607. 4,606. 4,606. This is the number. Try this. Keep your mics off. You know? Mics off. रखिए, videos on. रखिए. Your mics off and videos on. वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा, सारे बच्चे बार बार आप लोग वीडियो क्यों ऑफ कर रहे हैं? Okay, so last wala, what is the answer? Yes or no? What is the answer of the last one? Is it yes or no? 460 minus 6 into 2.
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
460
Yes, sir.
minus 6 into 2. So 460 minus 12. That means 448. 448. Is it divisible by 7? Check karo. 448. 7 sixes are 42. Minus 32 remainder. 8 copy ho gaya. So 7 fours are 28. Minus remainder 0. Remainder is coming 0. That means the answer is yes. The answer is yes. Again, yes. Remainder is 0. So in all the three parts, the answer is coming yes. Yes, written in your copies, all of it. Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then let us start with the last part of this question, part number 5. Fifth part. In the fifth part, you have to check the divisibility of the given numbers by 11. In this, the first one is 61,017. 61017. 61,017. Try it, all of you. Try it on your own. एक बार ट्राई करो. आपको याद है 11 की डिविजिबिलिटी कैसे होती है? चेक कैसे करते हैं? Okay. So done. नहीं आ रहा है? Let me tell you how to do. So first of all, you see the digits which are at the odd places. Odd places पे कौन से digits हैं? It is 7,
Sir, please.
0, and 6. 7, 0, and 6. These digits are at odd places. पहले आप इनको ऐड कर लीजिए. Odd places पे जो digits हैं, you add them.
Sir, please.
7 plus 0 plus 6. Avika, you have done. Very good, Beta. Very good. So 7
Yes,
plus
sir, I
0
have
plus.
done.
Okay, very good.
Sir,
So
I can
7.
post work.
No, don't post it in the book. So 7 plus 0 plus 6. The sum of the digits is 13. These are the digits which were at odd places. इनका sum 13 आता है. Now you see the digits which are at even places. Even places पे 1 and 1. दोनों जगह 1 है. So you add the digits 1 plus 1, you get 2. 1 और 1 को add करके 2 मिलेगा. Now you find the difference of the sum of odd places, some of the digits at odd places and some of the digits at even places. So 13 minus 2, the difference is 11. 11 is the difference. 11 is a multiple of 11. Yes, 11 is a multiple of 11. Therefore, we can say that yes, this number is divisible by 11. बेटा कोई बच्चा 6th क्लास का यहाँ पर आ गया है? अगर आपने गलती से ज्वाइन कर लिया है, प्लीज द मीटिंग। 6th क्लास का कोई बच्चा अगर गलती से ज्वाइन कर, योर क्लास विल स्टार्ट एट 12:40। Okay, similarly, let's do the B part of the question. In the B part, the number is 39,875. 39,875. This is the number. So you add all the digits at odd places. Odd places पर क्या है? 5, 8 and 3. 5 plus 8 plus 3. The sum of these digits, 13 plus 3, 16. Now you add the digits which are at even places. 9 plus 7. Again, the sum is 16. Now when you find the difference of 16 and 16, you get 0. 0 आया. So whenever you get the difference as a multiple of 11 or 0, 0 आएगा, तब भी हम बोलेंगे yes, the number is divisible by 11. Okay, answer is yes. Last part of the question, 10,880. 10,880. So sum of the digits at odd places, 8 plus 8 plus 1. What do you get? You get 17. Sum of the digits at even places. Even places for 1 and 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 17 minus 1, the difference of the two sums is equal to 16. 16 is not a multiple of 11. 16 is not a multiple of 11. So therefore the answer is no. Answer is no. C part का answer no. Have you all understood? Okay. Let's start with the next question. Question number 4. Have you all done question C? All the parts आपके हो गए? Question C के सारे parts. Okay, now let's start with question B. Next question. क्वेश्चन डी में क्या करना है? चेक द फॉलोइंग यूजिंग द रूल्स ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी. Is 26 divisible by 2? You have to write the answer in the book only. 26 2 से डिवाइड होता है. Write your answer yes or no in the book. Okay. Tell me, 26 is divisible by 2 or not? ऋतिक अरोड़ा बेटा लेट के पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, सो रहे हो? ऋतिक अरोड़ा सो रहे हैं? कुछ काम आपने कॉपी में किया है? वीडियो ऑफ कर दिया अब आपने?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 26 is divisible by 2 because 26 is an even number. डिवाइड हो जाएगा. आंसर इज यस. राइट द आंसर इन द बुक ओनली. बुक में लिखो आंसर. Similarly, the second part of the question. 39 is 39 divisible by 3. 39 क्या 3 से डिवाइड होगा? 39 में डिजिट्स का सम क्या आया? 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12.
Sir, we have to do this in book.
Yes, you have to do question D in book. D वाले क्वेश्चन को बुक में करना है. ठीक है?
Sir, class is going to be over.
बुक में करिए. भी तो ओवर नहीं हुई है. So second part 39 check करिए. 39 is divisible by 3 or not? Digits का sum करो. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 is a multiple of 3. So आपका आंसर क्या होगा? Yes. Answer is yes. Okay. Third part. Sorry, second part. The answer is yes.